So if you are hearing me, so can you just signify by using a thumbs up to indicate that you are hearing me? Okay. So we look at on indexing and how we can emirate with our index number. So today we are going to look on membership of a string. So we are looking for membership in a string. Membership in a string is like checking if a particular word is in a string, or is checking for a particular string or particular word. So for example, we are going to create a string which we are going to declare a variable called string let's say string 2 equal to, we are going to pass in a variable, we are going to say Anita Chioma, and Anita Chioma is the string we are using, and we are going to look if Anita is in the list. Okay, is in the string. So now let's open a new tab. Then when we want to print, we are going to say print. Then we are going to indicate what we are searching for. So we are going to indicate Anita, if Anita is in string 2. If Anita is in string 2, so we are going to do it like this. We are going to write our in, then we are going to pass it our variable name.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
I'm hearing you.
Please, sorry. No, this thing kicked me out. So I just joined back now, and I think I missed the first
Okay,
session, like the
okay,
beginning.
okay. I said that uh, I'm explaining membership of a string. A membership of a string is like
Okay,
checking for a particular string in a list or in a string. So we gave an example called string 2. So Choma, mute your mic, please.
I should read from your.
Mute your mic, mute
I'm
your
saying
okay. We are looking for a membership. We are checking for a particular membership. So we declare a variable to string 2. Then we pass in a string called Anita Choma. Anita Choma. So we are going to check if Anita is in Anita Choma. So we are going to print out Anita in string 2, then we run. Once we run, you say true. Did you see it? Did you see what he said? He said true. And when I print the word outside Anita or Chioma, okay, let's see. Let me use Chioma. Let me use Chioma. Then I run it. It will say true. Then let's use Anita Chioma. It will still say true. It will say true. Now let's use a small letter of Anita, small letter and small letter of Anita. Then when we run it, it will say false because there's nothing like Anita in small letter there. So it will not print the result called the true. So this is how to check for a particular string in membership of a string. I hope you understand this part I just explained. So if you did not understand, you can just signify by thumbs down if you did not understand, so that I will go back again. Or you can use a sound emoji. Hope every one of you understand. Okay. Now, this is how to check for a membership. Now, let's use not in. Let's use not in. So I remember someone asked about not in. Where are we supposed to use it? Now, this is how we are going to use it. Okay, let's see if uh, Anita Choma is not in this string too. Okay, let's see if Anita is not in this string too. Not in. Let's see. It will. Let's see. Not in. Then so we are going to check not in now. So let's run. It will say false because Anita is inside. This is a place where we are going to use our not in. So the person who asked that question the last class make sure uh, should make sure that this is the part where, or you should like take note of it, that this is the part where you are supposed to use the not in. Okay, yeah, this is how to check. And most times if you want to check for nothing, maybe you have a list of millions of data and you don't want to go screw through them, you can just write a particular code and said if this particular word is not in that list, it will just say false or false. If it's in that list, it will say true. Okay, so this is how to check for not in and how to check for in. So I believe you have seen how we can go for membership of a string. So we are going to look on string function. String function. We are going to look on string function. So string function. Now string function, these are the attributes. These are functions that like make up, or these are method which make up a string. Just like without this method, the string will not be able to function properly. I hope you guys understand. It's just like a family. The string is the head and the other method are the children. So without the head, without the children, the head will not stand. The head will not be okay with it. Most times, if you see, I want to use a real life scenario. When you see some parents that have not given birth, they will be so sad and they will not be in a good state. This is how a string work. So the string the string comes with the method. See the same way we have the list. The list also have their own method. Then the tuples have their own method. So you can check for in a membership in a list. You can check for a membership in a tuple. You can check for a membership in so many places. Okay. Anita, you raise up your hand.
Yes, good evening. I wanted to ask a question.
Okay.
I've been hearing us call method repeatedly, and I want to really understand what really methods are in Python.
Okay. Method. Yes. These are the place where I expect most of you to ask a question, because most times people confuse function and method. Okay, a method is attached
Hmm.
to a particular variable using the dot. Okay, let me show you an example. This is a print function. Did you see the print stand alone? Did you see the print stand alone
No.
without the print is stand alone without any attachment, right?
Yes.
Okay, now this is a method. Now let me create an example of a string. We are going to see how a method works. So let's me create
Okay.
an example. So we are going to say my string, and we are going to we are going to use our string, our quote. We are going to say let's use hello everyone, hello everyone, everyone. Then now let's run it and see where we are going to use a method. This my string. I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it my string. Then I will use dot the method called strip. Okay. Did you see Anita? Anita.
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. Did you see
Yes.
the print stand on its own, and you see the strip is attached with a dot?
Yes. Yes.
Any method are attached with a dot to a variable. A function
Okay.
stand on its own.
Okay.
Hope you understand.
Okay.
So this is a
Okay. So there are different types. Like you can capitalize what is in my string. Like they capitalize
Anita, get it right.
for
See,
method, right?
Anita, let me explain to you again.
Did you hear me?
I did not hear
Okay.
you. Let me explain to you, okay?
Yes. Okay.
A method is attached
Okay.
with to a variable with dot. With dot is attached to a variable, while a function stand on its own.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me tell you
I
this.
get. Yes.
Let me if I remove this, if I remove this is a normally
Yes.
this is a function on its own. This is where I can pass anything.
Yes.
But since it's attached with a dot, it's a method.
Okay.
Okay. So now I want to use the strip. The strip is like uh, removing a particular item. Now we want to remove this space here. This space. Did you see it? This space here and here. We want to remove.
Yes.
I'm going to use the strip. The strip is for you to is the strip is to remove a particular item. Now I want to run it. Once I run it, let's see the results. Okay, did you see the space is no longer there again? Hope you guys saw it.
Yes.
Now you can use the strip method.
Okay.
And we have
Yes. So sorry, I have a I want to just ask something.
well,
So it does strip any extra spaces before and after the word, or
yes.
it could have taken a letter, maybe like H and E, or the spaces it works with.
When Anita, just wait for us to go deeper in
Okay.
this strip, and you see how
Method.
we can use it. Okay,
Thank you.
okay.
All
And
right. Thank you.
a strip most times is not used to remove a character, or it's used to remove space, anything attached to a characters or letters. Okay, hope you guys are following. Okay. Now, so we want to use the other strip, which is the right and left strip. The right and left strip, you can assign a particular area where you want to strip out. So we are going to call it, let's say, we are going to call our, okay, let's strip out the left strip, the right strip. Now we are going to do it like this. Let me copy this and let me paste it. And we want to strip out the right, so we are going to add arrow, then we strip. Did you see the right side has been exited, has been removed? The right side has been removed.
Yes, I did. Yes.
This is how to remove the right side. To strip the space in the right side, we are going to see the left side. We are going to use it. Let me paste it again. We are going to say L. L is left, the left side. There's the left strip. When we write it like that, it will remove the left strip. Okay. So we are going to create a variable and see how we can remove some asterisk attached to a word. So let's see how we can do it. How we can do it. So I just want you to know some of this because as a programmer, you have to know this basic syntax. So let me copy this and now I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to name it string 2. Then in I will replace the space with star asterisk. I will replace it with asterisk. Then I will replace it with asterisk. So okay, Anita, can you try this? Can you tell me how can I remove this star from the right or the left? Can you just try? Try. So anyone can try too, but can you just try? Can anyone try? We are in class to practice. You can just try, even if it's not correct.
Okay, so
Okay.
let me try. I think if I heard you well, you said that my string this the method it removes spaces or any other attachment that is attached to a particular variable.
Yes.
So I think if we use this my string left strip, it should be able to remove all of them from the left. Then if we use the one for the right, it should be able to remove all from the right.
Okay, I want you to know that. Okay, let's see. Let's see. What if you are
I
saying?
want to contribute.
Okay, you can also
So
contribute.
because the asterisks are in multiple places, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Zanta that is speaking. Yeah. So because of the asterisks are in multiple, there are more than one, and there are in multiple places. I think
Yes.
we can maybe define a kind of variable for it that to clean anywhere it sees stars
Yeah.
star, both on the
Yes.
left hand side and right hand
You
side.
are getting it. You are getting it. How can we do it?
So we should replace it. How can we do it? Okay, maybe okay, my trick is equals to that. Maybe we can maybe name something like maybe replace. I don't know. Replace. Okay, or maybe like clean text.
Uh, you
Can you
see,
hear me, sir?
I can hear you. I know you got the concept, but you are not presenting it in the right format. You got the concept. Hope you understand. You got the
Should
concept.
I try again?
Okay, try, try. There's room for trying. And Savior, Savior,
Okay. All right.
Savior, I want to run your own.
Sir, sir,
I want to run what you said so that you can see.
okay, okay,
Did you see it did not clean? The string did not clean.
yeah,
So
Yes.
There are some. There are. I think we have to pass in a little tax, which we clean the right side for us. Okay, just try. Just try. Who can try? There's a room for us. Okay, to try. We are in class. So everyone should try to contribute. Okay, I know most of us are mute, so just try to contribute so that you will get everything right with us. Okay, Anita,
Yes.
are you tired? So
Yeah, can you hear me? Here. I'm trying to think on how to go about it. But I know that we're meant to replace audio asterisks there.
okay, see,
I'm
please,
just looking for the best syntax to do that.
okay, you let us not waste time.
Trying to
Eh?
think.
Let us not waste time. So let me just teach you directly, okay, so that you grab it in your mind and
Thank
also
you.
learn from it, okay? Now, we have asterisk. In the place of this space, we did not put space because the system recognizes it as space. Okay, James want to say something. James,
Good evening, sir.
good evening.
So I was thinking, this script, we are going to call out, that's the asterisk, the variable wants to remove, the variable what we wanted to remove. First, I think it came with a bracket at the ending. So I was thinking that bracket will be the place we call out what we want to remove. Since as Python only Python copies from our variables the same way we code it. Like if we call out a name of a variable name, and we mistakenly want to call out names, it will not, if we because of the s, the variable will not call it out. So it copies what we tell it to write. So that's where we put those stars, and I think we are looking for hash. So if we're able to remove the my strips, we are able to put the variables in the bracket. I think that will solve our problem, because since as the strip is a function in Python
It's a
that
method.
comes together with Python,
It's a method. Okay.
is a
Uh,
method in Python, is a
you got
method in Python that cannot be changed.
you got it. One bottle of star for you.
I go paste my OPO.
Eh, I think, James, you are correct. You are correct. You are correct. So you have to pass in. You have to pass in the asterisk inside the bracket. Okay. Hope you guys are following. Then we run it. It will remove the asterisk at the right. At the right. Okay. Wow,
Yeah.
James, you just make my day today. Ah, you just make my day. At least you tried. You tried. You tried. Anita, have you seen it?
Yes, I'm with you, sir.
Chioma, are
Yes,
you
I have.
following? Are you following?
Yes, so
So see the same way you can also do it at the left. Okay? See the same way you can do it at the left. It will remove the left side. Okay. Now let's go to our method. So we want to look for the okay.
sorry.
Hello,
Hello, sir.
I can hear you.
Yes, I have a question.
What is your question?
Okay. Okay, this method for removing the asterisk from the right side. What if I don't want to remove all the asterisks, and maybe I want to just remove like five or pick any random number, but not everything completely. How do I do that?
Chioma, Chioma,
Sir,
you are the one who type it, right?
sir,
You are the one who type it, right? You are the one to clean it, not the
who did what?
computer. I said you are the one who type it. You are the one to clean it. The Python does not have that uh, time to
Uh,
clean that, so you can clean it on your own. It's easy now. Python, Choma, you are not supposed to ask that question. Now look at it. You can just do the part you need. Ah, did you see it?
mm, no, like the question I asked, for example, not
Okay,
really because of the example you displayed. Just say that okay, like in data analysis now, and
okay.
I have like so many. Let me just say I have like 1,000 box, something like that,
Yes,
or table
a
with
thousand sales.
and yes, exactly 1,000 cells, and maybe I want to like strip some items, some particular items, of
Okay,
which I cannot come and start scrolling to view the
okay, okay,
1,000 cells and everything.
okay, Choma.
So like if I want to see,
I know what you want to explain.
hmm?
Okay, I know what you want to say. Choma, in data analysis, they have their own method. This is the method for um, string, okay? And list also have
All right,
their own method. Will also have their own method, okay?
all right,
When we get there, you see how you can
okay,
perform your cleaning, your analysis, and your mongling and wangling of data, okay?
all right,
The basic purpose I'm teaching you guys is Python is just for you to know the fundamental knowledge of Python. Because here, when we are going to data analysis proper, most of the we are not going to use like code, too much code, but I just want you to get concept of Python programming because we are going to work with Python, but not much of Python programming. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
in data analysis, your coding is not too much. Okay, it's not too much. It's when you want to go further in predicting, that is where you need much code. Okay, and I just want you to have in mind that don't be scared in this program in this class because I just want you to have the concept, get the concept, so that you can be able to think on how to solve a particular problem. Okay, so Anita,
Mm.
hope you got it. Hope you got what I just said.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So let's.
Yes, I did.
So Anita, want to. Okay, Savior, what do you want to say?
So I don't know. We are dwelling much on this, but let me still ask my own question. Is it possible for us to erase from both sides at the same time, or it's not possible?
Okay, you want to erase from the both sides, right?
Yes. Is it possible for that for us to erase both sides
Okay.
on this
Now,
at the same time?
good question. This is where you have to, um, this is where you have to have the concept. Eh? This is how you can do it.
Yes.
Okay. First of all, you
Yes.
remember a variable is a memory location.
Yes.
So first of all, when you declare a variable to store a particular site you have removed, then you create another variable to also store it there so that you can remove the other side. Okay. Hope you got the concept I just explained for you.
Okay. A variable.
Okay. Let me show you an example. Okay. Let me declare a variable like this. Let me say uh, right clean. Okay. Did you see it? Right clean.
Yes.
When I run out the right clean, when I run the right clean, I will see my result. Okay, I'm coming now. I'll see my results. So let's wait for our results. Okay. Now, did you see our results? Right click. So I'm going to create another variable.
So
Hello. I'm going to create another variable called left clean. Left clean. Left left clean. Okay. And Choma, hope you Anita Choma, hope you are following.
Please hold on, no, you're too fast. Trying to, I'm trying to note down some things before you edit it.
So we want to perform the left clean. So now this is how I'm going to clean everything totally. So look at it now. I'm going to use the left clean now, and this is it. We are going to use it like this. Then we set our arrow. Then we are going to call it a variable. Did you see the results? I've cleaned everything, right? Did you see the step I took to clean everything?
yeah, yes, I've seen it.
Hope you grab the concept.
Yes, yes,
You grab the concept. I want you guys to
yes.
always work with variables because your mindset or your mindset which you create something matters a lot. Always think the possible solution. Always think your possible solution and also do your research. And I also want to advise you guys. And ChatGPT is a research tool, a powerful research tools for your research, but I don't want you to dwell on that, but always note that you have to create a concept of cleaning, okay? And Choma and James, hope you guys are following. And Sylvester, hope you guys are following. Ari Smart, Praise, hope you guys are following. Just need a thumbs up for each and every one of you. Anita, Praise, Smart. So now we are moving forward. Now we are moving forward. I don't want to waste time on this, on dwell much time on this. So now we want to look on how we can, okay, and I created a string called string theory, and we want to see how we can capitalize using the how we can use the lower case, the upper case, capitalized case. Have you heard about formatting, data formatting in Microsoft Word formatting? Have you guys heard about formatting in Microsoft Word? Hello.
So I can't really.
I have.
Okay, have you heard
I,
about
I think what I know about. Not
capitalized
really.
case, lower case, upper case, and title case?
Okay, okay, yes, yes, yes,
Okay, I want to teach you guys on how we can
yes.
capitalize a variable, how we can capitalize a string. So this is a string I created. Then I want to make this to a lowercase. This is how I can use the lower method. Then I'll call out string, my string three. Then I'll say dot. I will use the lower method, lower. Once I run it, it will turn everything to lowercase. everything is now in lowercase. Hope you guys got it.
Yes.
I can turn it to
Yes, I did.
uppercase. Everything's in uppercase, and I can make it in capitalized case. Okay. I can also do it in title case. Hope you guys understand. Okay. This is a method in Microsoft in Python programming. Okay, so we are going to check how we can use the replace now. Hello.
I
Okay.
can hear you.
Okay, now we want to check how we can use the replace. Now I want to replace this he to ho, or okay, I want to replace this everyone, okay, everyone to let's say hello world. Okay, instead of me I will use instead of me going through the manual method, I will just use the replace, then I will call out my old and my old name, then I'll paste it here, the hello, then I will also pass in the new word I want to use, then I will say word. So automatically everyone will be replaced to word. So I want to replace the word now. I want to replace everyone to word. So this site works. Now look at it, hello world. Hope you guys understand this concept.
Yes, I do.
So this is how we can use the replace. So now we want to use okay, we want to count. Look at how we can count a uh, particular string occurring string. Okay. Now let's create a variable called my string. Let's say my string. Let's say my string three, my string four, my string four. Then we are going to say okay. Then we are going to pass in the occurring string. Now we're going to say one, and one. We are going to say four. We are going to say one again, and we are going to say two, and we are going to say two again. Yeah, we are going to say three. We are going to say uh, one, and we are going to say five. Okay, now let's count how many one is
So between 1 and 4, there's meant to be a comma. So a comma between 1 and 4.
now we want to
You
count
missed that.
ahead. We
The
want to
first
count.
two. Okay.
Yes, I've corrected it. Okay. Now we want to count if how many ones is in this particular string. Now for us to use count it, we are going to use the count method. The count method. This is how we can use the count method. Now we want to call out my string for dot count. Then we are going to pass what we want to count. And we are going to pass in 1, then it will count it. Okay. Now you see name my string is not defined. Who can tell me the error? Who can explain the error? Why the error comes out? Who can explain to me why
I
the error?
think the error. So let me explain.
Okay.
I think the error came out because the my string was not they didn't run it.
Wow. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one.
They
Nice one from you.
Yes.
Nice one. It shows that you pay attentive in class. And this is it, 3. How many one is in the list in the string? Who-
3.
yeah, three.
Three. This is how we can count. Okay. I hope we understand this concept. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to the next topics. Someone raise his hand. Is there anyone who raised his hand? Okay, okay. Now we want to check for okay, and we want to look how we can use the split method. Split method. Okay, we want to see how we can split. Now let's split this. Let's use the split instead of us using count. Let's split. Then let's do it like this. Okay, we are using the split now. Let's run. Did you see split it to a list? Did you see splitted it? Hello,
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
he splitted it. So this is how we can use the split, okay? And so we are going to also know some of okay. I've okay. Now we want to check for numeric if a particular number is in numeric or alphabet, if it's in
I have a question. On
okay,
what basis did this function into? Because I see that it categorized it into 1, 4, 1, 2. The whole quotation is kind of confusing. I don't really get what it did
okay,
by
wait,
splitting.
okay. Look at it. Let me separate it and run it. Just because I did not arrange it well. That's why I did not split it very well for us. Okay,
Okay.
look at it.
Okay. Yes.
Did you see it splitted it well for us?
Yes, it did.
It
Thank you.
splitted it for us.
Okay.
You can okay. Let's remove it. Let's remove this comma from each of them. Okay, so that you see it very well. Now look at it. And look at it. This is how he splitted it. I think this is presentable, right?
All right.
Hmm? Hope you are not confused.
Yes. But then in that case, would this still counting? Would you still recognize it, Abby?
You okay? Let's
When we now
count.
count number of one,
Let's count now.
would you get the three? Okay.
Okay, okay. Let's try.
94 dot count.
Let's try. Let's try. Let's try.
Okay.
There's room for trying. Okay. Now we are going to call a variable count. Then after what we have splitted, and we want to count it. Let's pass the count dot count. Then we are going to say, okay, let's see the count first. Let's see the count. So now we are going to pass in 1. Did you see it counted it after splitting?
Okay.
So you can still count,
Yes.
okay? So
Yes.
always have the mind of trying, even if you arrive at error. Try. Definitely, as a programmer, you must arrive at error, okay? You must pass through errors, okay? Now, we are going to create, and we are going to check if a particular word is alphanumeric or alphanumeric or a boolean or okay, we are checking. Now we are going to create a variable called check. Then we are going to put it in a quote. And now we want to use the print. Okay. Now we are going to say, okay, now let's me write other code with print. Okay, print. Okay, print check. Yeah. Are you with me?
Yes, well with you. I'm with you.
Okay, now I want to check if it's alpha dot is now. So we are checking now. Okay, if it's num, if it's alpha, okay, and we are going to check for if it's alpha, okay, if it's alpha, we are going to check for this. Okay, we are going to check for if it's numeric or alphanumeric, if it's numeric. So we are going to check for numeric. We are going to check for if it's a decimal. And who can define a decimal for me? Hello, hello.
Hi.
Who can define a decimal for me? Can you try? No one.
Decimal is a number with
Okay.
a
Now,
decimal place.
now did you see? They are checking. So the first one printed true, right? Is alphanumeric. Is correct. The second one print false because it's not alphabet. Okay. The third one printed false because it's not numeric. And the last one printed is decimal. It's not decimal number. This is how to check for if you see. Huh? Hope you got what I just explained.
Yes, sir.
Arismart have not contributed since. Hello, Arismart. Are you in class?
Yes, I'm in class. I can hear you, sir.
Hope you are following.
Yes, yeah, I'm following. I'm following.
Okay. Now, okay, I want to remember you guys about the assignment, and the assignment is supposed to be submitted on Wednesday. Please do not fail to submit it. Okay, and I want you guys to know that learning this course is not like it's not for you to uh, feel free that you have learned something. There's room for you to practice and go for uh, more research concerning this particular course you are studying. Okay, so now this is how we can check for it, and we are going to check if it's in lowercase. Now, for us to check, let me copy this. We are going to use check two. I don't know how I can remove this. This is just disturbing my view. Let me reload. Let me reload, okay? Okay. Wow. Have any question? I'm here to answer the question if you have any. Hello, do you have any? No one have question.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we want to check if this is in uppercase, lowercase, okay? If it's in upper or lower case. Now for us to check, let me copy this. Let me copy this. Let me copy this. I love to copy. So I don't like the process of let's see. Now I'm going to say is upper to send upper. Let's see. It will say force. Can I say lower? We are testing, oh, we are checking, and lower. It will say true because it's in lower. So hope you got the concept of this. Hello. So everyone got the concept. I want to hear from Anita. Anita is silent, and Praise is not in class.
I got it.
Anita is not in class. Praise is not in class.
I'm here. I'm here. I responded. I got it. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but Praise, I'm saying that Praise is not in class.
Oh, okay.
Is Choma in class? Is Choma in class? So we are moving forward to lists. So I believe we have uh, uh, passed through a lot of topics, and I want to introduce you guys to lists. And before then, we after this list, we are going to tuple sets and dictionary class, and thereafter function. Thereafter, we have ended Python programming language. while the other 2 weeks we are going to learn through data analysis and visualization. So, Chioma, are you in class? So, Chioma is taking time to respond. Wow, I just want us to take a break for some time so that we feel relaxed, so that you guys will not be like overloaded with all this. So just feel relaxed for some minutes, 5 minutes, relax for 5 minutes, okay?
Yes,
So
sir.
Moses, I wanted to clarify on something.
Okay,
You said
what?
that after Python, we're going
Hello?
to under.
I'm not hearing you.
Can you hear
He
me
said,
now?
is it Topu,
Okay, okay.
Tupo, or Topu, something like that.
I did not hear you. What you said?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
I was asking you, like, I mean, I heard you say that from this we go to tuple list, then do classes and function. They will not enter another software for data analysis. I wanted to ask that what other software are we considering for this course aside Python?
I said after list, we want to treat list now. I said after
Okay,
list, we are moving to tuple, sect, and dictionary. Okay,
okay.
dictionary.
Thank you. Alright,
We are going to function class.
alright,
After class, we have concluded everything about Python programming. Then we'll move to uh, data analysis proper and visualization.
alright. Okay.
I believe some of you have learned visualization. Some of you are gurus, most especially James. James, James, hello, James. Hello, James. Are you in class? All these guys, what's wrong? James, hello, James. Are you in class? Before we can start our list, are you in class? You're on mute. Why? Hello. Okay. And we are moving to list now. So, so lists. Okay. We are going to write lists. I just want to write it in capital letter for us to see very well. So list is okay. List is an ordered list sequence. Okay, of item. And two, we can have different data type under a list. Okay, e.g. let's say e.g. we can have